DIY furniture hacks.
Let's see. Wow. All right. It's like one of that, toy when you put all together and create a plane or a car.
Like the Legos that aren't cool. Yeah. Okay, so now it looks like we have some holes for some air so our butt can breathe.
Refreshing thing.
I like to get a big leaf blower and put it underneath.
That would be nice in the summer, especially.
Yeah. Okay, so it looks like we're just painting over it. This is interesting. It's a nice color.
It looks like a bag.
A bok?
Bag. Bug.
Are you okay?
No.
Right, are you a chicken?
Yeah, sorry.
So it looks like they're taking some buckwheat and they're putting it in bags for what?
Looks weird.
It does look weird.
This thing.
It looks, those are interesting sacks for sure.
Wait.
And they're staying there as well. What the heck is happening?
I don't know. It's like a chair for massage, where you can...
Yeah, that's nice actually. Maybe like a beanbag type of chair? I don't know. It doesn't look very comfortable though, because buckwheat isn't that comfortable.
Yes.
I think maybe the sweat that you produce will actually cook the buckwheat.
What?
I don't know. I'm trying to this is a weird chair.
Is it really comfortable?
I doubt it. I really doubt it's comfortable.
Yeah. But
we should test it.
No, I don't think so. But
let's not waste buckwheat.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get a saw. You saw some stuff, some sandpaper. We're getting the edges. Are we adding something to our chair?
I don't know. It looks like the same things which he made on the beginning.
Yeah.
Like it looks the same.
But it's different because now he's wrapping it in something.
All right.
Very interesting. What are you doing, fellow?
What are you doing? It's still like...
it's ongoing, okay.
Yeah, but it was confusing.
It was very confusing, but now we have a nice side for our chair, so we hide the aspects that we don't want to show to people. It still doesn't look amazing. It looks if I walked in someone's house and they had that, I'd be like,
what?
What?
The nice chair.
You okay there, buddy?
Okay.
What's that? That's the pain chair. That's where I punish myself by sitting on it.
Yeah, basically. So good.
Why are there a bunch of sacks on that chair? The heck is that? All right, I give that like a 5 out of 10.
What? What are you doing? Why would you burn down? It's your yard, man. Like, what are you even doing? Why would you do that?
Touching this? Yeah, I don't know. It's.
I felt like I was from the Wild Thornberries. That guy's like. Okay, so now you're watching the video. It's too late to leave. Don't scroll down. All right, cool. So now we have burning wood. What is the point of it? There's so much mystery, so much to find out. Stay with us. Spend the day with us.
Let's figure out together.
Slay with us.
No, we're not slaying.
Pray with us, if you want. Enjoy with us. Okay.
So wow, wait. It's epoxy.
It's epoxy, so they're smoothing it out. So it looks kind of cool though.
Yeah. Is it gonna be a table or something?
It could be a table. It could be whatever it wants to be, honestly. It's 2025.
Yes, of course.
You can do whatever we want.
What do you think? What do you want to be?
I think it wants to be a table now. That's just my opinion. All right, so we have some plexiglass on top, making it look worse.
Yeah, but here we go, revealing.
It's kind of cool.
But I think it just no, it's the only thing I worry about the legs.
Yeah, I would call it an average table.
Of course, we have 2 such.
Yes,
tables.
I'm an average table as well. It's okay. All right, so what are we doing here?
It's
rocks. Yes.
Rocks, paper, scissors.
Of course, more rocks. Yes.
So for what?
For what?
For what? It's like a fireplace.
It looks like a potential fireplace. They're in the freezing, or it could be an ice place.
Ice place.
I think it's an ice place.
Okay, so here we can see the life hack.
Very cool. To get the magnet. Nice. Okay.
You're right. I mean, it's could be something like they will froze the water there. And
I thought I was making a dumb joke, but all of a sudden, look at Mr. Red over here. Yeah.
Maybe no.
Yeah, probably not.
Yeah, it's
Most likely not.
Yeah, it's like a grill where you can level it. Wow.
That's awesome. Aren't you glad you stayed? Come on. Let us know.
I like
What is this? Because I still don't know.
It's actually
It makes fire.
Yeah, but it's how the axe works.
Yes. Okay, we're stacking it up. I want to see this baby burn. What is he gonna cook in it? I think that's the most important question.
Yes.
Ice cream?
Dang, I feel hungry.
There's no food there yet. You're like,
Yes.
I just want fire and rocks.
No, I already can imagine.
Imagine what you could cook on that video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got some
What
veggies.
I would cook.
Yeah. Where's the steak at? Come on.
I would make the nice steak.
Yeah. What would you cook on that barbecue?
So basically, one time this girl, who's a carpenter and has a workshop, found a tire, and she decided, okay, I want to change something about my life. So she gets pieces of wood, she puts it inside the tire, right? Then she gets a knife, and she's making this circular motion on a board. Then she gets her saw. Little known fact, she's actually a carpenter, and she's been doing this for 10 years. Now, we're going to get some more wood, chop it on top, and that's the narration for this video. No, but literally.
There is such no. There is a lot of such videos. Did you watch them?
It's true. Do you guys like that kind of video?
Yeah.
If so, we'll do some more. But okay, so now the real thing, which a lot of people don't know at this point, is that she has a boyfriend. All right, she has a boyfriend who loves tires. That's why she's making him this gift.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Maybe
little does she know is that her boyfriend has been unfaithful. I'm just kidding. I don't know that.
I love that story.
Yeah,
you know,
thanks.
I want to see more. I want to hear more.
Yeah,
about
we're thinking about making a live-action TV show. Yeah.
Maybe he was a mechanic. You know,
He was a mechanic.
yeah.
She was a carpenter. At first, it was love at first sight, but they were just too similar.
He worked in the tire shop and everything.
Yeah. But he just got tired of the dynamics. Okay.
Okay, so that's still confusing, you know. I mean, with
I have
your
no idea what I'm
comments,
looking at now.
it make more sense. Now it's like, what the heck?
No, she's making a spaceship or something. Why are there ropes all around it?
I don't know.
Those are actually his shoelaces, and she's just getting revenge. And now she has foam. Okay.
Okay. To get a shape, just to tie it to the wooden part. Kind of smart.
That's pretty
I
good.
would
yeah,
say.
not too bad.
But it's a bunch of work around. Like,
It is a lot of work for that.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you need a chair and you want a passion project or something,
yeah.
I wouldn't be very passionate about it, but you can do what you want.
Yeah. Sometimes I'm watching on such videos when, you know, a lot of efforts around and I'm like, wow, so many jobs should be done here.
Yeah, right.
And me on the same time take off the whole dashboard of the car and start working with the wires around. And I'm like, that should be easy, you know?
So yeah, it depends on what your skill set is, of course.
Yes.
But anyway, good for them. Good for them. They make interesting stuff at 5 Minute Crafts. Okay, now we're wrapping this around, filling it with fluff so it feels more comfortable on our butts.
Mm-hmm.
And we roll it around, make sure everything's nice and tight. It's a little messy on the bottom.
Yeah. I'm just wondering, for whom this kind of comments? Who is not watching videos or who just, listening our reaction. And now she took a shirt, flip it over, put it on the side, and there is kind of messy around, and he like trying to imagine what is going on.
But don't worry, it's going to be fixed up real soon,
Yeah.
and you'll never guess how.
If you, this person,
Let
text
us know.
Let us know.
Yeah, we want your help.
We'll continue. Yeah, we'll
We
continue.
need training. All right, it looks pretty nice, actually.
Yeah, I love it.
I give it couch out of 10.
Yeah,
It's pretty good.
agree.
It does what it's supposed to.
Well, it looks like a flower.
So guys, question of the day. What is your passion? What would you put as much time as 5 Minute Crafts puts into their videos?
Let us know in the comments.
And like and follow Archie5.